Hello everyone. I hope you all are safe in your home and enjoying my videos. So friends, today's topic is creative development. In normal words, development is the process of becoming stronger or bigger, or the process of creating something more advanced. A more advanced product is also known as development. But here we are going to discuss about the creative development in economy. Here it is. It is the knowledge-based economic activities upon which the creative industries are based. Every one of you must know about social media and also about e-contents. Similarly, creative industry includes so many things like crafts, games, TV, radio, music and performing arts. Next is creative commerce, concept that considered the long-running performance of an e-commerce experience. E-commerce means trade or business through internet or its sources used to earn money. Remember friends that largest creative industry is television and it is giving revenue of $477 billion every year. The Creative Economy program was launched by UNCTAD in 2014. Always remember, UNCTAD stands for United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. It has promoted development through creativity. It has elevated the creative economy on the World Economic and Development Agenda. It also generates economic information through trade and loans to understand past trends and project into the future and promote data-led understanding of trade in creative goods and services and imagination. Creative economy is contributing to total GDP 3%. So it is very important these days. As I have told you earlier that e-commerce is buy or selling of goods and services or the transmitting of funds through internet. Creative industry is growing day by day and jobs of 1.6% of total jobs are given by creative industry these days. Many people are doing jobs through online portals and can work from home. As you all know, during pandemic time, work from home increased by many times. Because of it, so many businesses ran smoothly during that difficult time. So students, the creative development is the development through e-commerce or the process by which money is earned by online work or creative contents. These days, social media is a big source of income for so many people. So many people are creating YouTube channels, Instagram. Similarly, so many businesses like share market are running online these days. So these all are parts of creative development in economy, and this is one of the newest form of revenue earned, which is part of GDP, that is gross domestic product. So friends, I hope you have now understood what is creative development in economy and what is its role in these days. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. God bless you all. Thank you.